Hi sir, mas okay ba ang Toyota, I think he means here Active HEV versus sa Race Turbo? Sige, Daryl Guillermo, shoutout sa'yo. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So, sa totoo lang guys, kung this was the previous generation Vios versus Race, I would automatically go ahead and recommend the Toyota Race. Lalong-lalo na turbo, hitik sa features, lamang na lamang siya sa features. But now that the newer version or newer generation of the Vios called Active na siya ngayon, no? Vios Active, um, is just parang talagang nakabawi na talaga si Vios dito. Features wise, ayun na kagad yung favorite feature natin, 360 degree camera, meron na si Active nun, and si Race Turbo wala. And then meron namang blind spot monitoring si Race Turbo, but all of the other Toyota safety sense naka-active na kasi guys So yun nga, forward collision braking system, rear alert, lane keep assist, all of the Toyota safety sense advanced driving system, meron na si Active nun. And by the way, usapang top of the line lang tayo, 1.1 million si Toyota Race, or maybe close to 1.2, and then si si Active 1.2 million range din siya, but naka-hybrid ka na. And then when it comes to your engine, lamang si Active with a 1.5 liter engine, hybrid pa at 1.2 million, and then 1.0 si Race. But wag mong masyadong intindi yung 1.0 na yan, because yung titignan natin talaga yung power tsaka torque. Tabla in terms of torque, medyo parehas lang sila, but lamang ng medyo may kalamangan si Active in terms of the maximum power. And then when it comes to the interior, mas maganda para sa akin yung feel or yung look ni Active. Sa akin lang naman yun, it's subjective, but I like the overall feeling of the interior ni Active. One thing lang na lamang ni Race Turbo na medyo malakas din na point or factor para sa akin is yung paddle shifter. So napaka-fun i-drive nun with the paddle shifters. But yeah, in the long run as well, hybrid engine, maybe, ayan, marami pang skeptical dyan, marami pang mga hindi pa masyadong kampante sa mga hybrid. So, yun lang siguro yung mga major mo na iintindihan. Pero subjectively, para sa akin, I'll go for Toyota Active versus the Race Turbo. So, go ahead and check out my YouTube videos. I have videos for both of these cars. Sana nakatulong. Follow for more.